What's up, y'all? Video number 44, the Switchblade. All this is a combination of the funky junkie and the move. I mean, and if you're already at video number 44, then you should already know how to do the funky junkie, right? A little funky with a little junkie, right? You should also know how to do the move. Brad Bachman inspired me. Some people struggle with this because there's a lot that goes on in a short period of time. And that's the cool thing about the Switchblade, is it actually slows down the move. Instead of doing just a regular kind of the way when you're doing the funky junkie, that move right there, when you tuck that arm back so you can sweep that reverse phantom punch to a forward phantom punch, when you do that, when that arm comes right here, when you cradle it up in this elbow over here, you're gonna do a reverse side punch and you're gonna kick the elbow up. Boom, right there and over. Boom, right there and over. And it's all kind of like the heart attack, funky junkie, and then the Switchblade. That way you get to slow the move down. Because when you're doing it the regular move, that thing is, those elbows are going all sorts of crazy directions. But this is a little bit slower pace. And it looks cool. Funky. Switchblade. Got any questions? Let me know. We'll work it out.